Hi everyone, for this episode of How Do You Do That, we're going to go over how we manage working with subtitles in Resolve. So we have a project here that requires a subtitle file. Now when you're creating subtitles, you can do them within Resolve. So basically what happens here is that when you have a subtitle track that you've created here, and then you can create a caption like so, and then you can do your in points and your out points, but that's just for a single title that you're going to put in. So now what happens is I want to take an externally generated subtitle file and actually import this into Resolve. Okay, so for generating subtitles using a standalone program, I usually use a program which is called AGI Sub. This is a great little program because you can take, for example, titles that were supplied to you in Microsoft Word, import them in, or any other text file for that matter, and then you can create your in points and out points and your style and everything like this, and then afterwards save it as an SRT file. Okay, so then once that's done, you would then come back into Resolve, come back to the media pool area here, and then in the bottom here of my media pool, I would then come up to here and say import subtitle. And then what I would do next is come to my desktop, and there is my SRT file with the subtitles for this particular project. So now that file has been imported into Resolve, and it has the icon indicating that it is a subtitle file. So I now go over to the edit page, come over to my subtitle track that I have. If I don't have that, you can actually come over here, right mouse click in this area, and add subtitle track in this point. And then here is my subtitle file for Romanov. Put that in, and then I can then manually shift that file over to come into the synchronization, and now we have it all synchronized like so. So now we're all set. We then come to our deliver page here, and then in the deliver section we have the option here on the bottom under subtitle settings, and if you click on this one here, we have the export subtitle option. We can do it as a separate file, or we can burn it into the video, or we can either do it as embedded captions as well. And also too, if you're doing it as an SRT file, or say if you do it as burn into video, then it will take the ones that are on the screen. If you say that you want to export as a separate file, if you have multiple subtitle tracks, it'll ask you which ones you want to export, and then you can just select that one, for example, like so. And then afterwards you add it to the render queue and then start your render, and then you're all set. Okay, so for more tips and tricks like this, don't forget to have a look at the other videos on our YouTube channel. And also for more information about training, have a look at the information in the comments below. Have a great day.